Hello students, welcome back to the class. So last class we have discussed about the factors which are mainly responsible for regionalism. Few factors we have discussed in the last class. In this class we are going forward for a new concept, new topic, Corruptions and Anti-Corruptions Act. What is meant by corruption? In this topic we will discuss about the corruptions and we will discuss about Anti-Corruption Act. Okay, this is the new topic for you. Corruption is nothing but that is a dishonest behavior by those who are in power. So, this is nothing but not a honest behavior, but this is a dishonest behavior who are in the power, okay. Such as we can find in position of power, taking bribes, gift, okay, double dealings, under table transactions, all this comes under the act of corruption. So, whenever if you have taken corruptions, now that comes under the criminal law. Corruptions comes under the taking bribes and corruptions comes under the criminal case now. So, corruptions are nothing but what we have studied, that is the dishonest behavior by those who are in power, okay. That is not a honest behavior. Corruption is a dishonest behavior by those who are in power. Whenever the persons are involving in any under table transactions, dealing double dealings, when they are taking any bribes, all these things comes under the act of corruptions. And if the charge sheet is proved, then the persons will be dealt with criminal case. Now, corruptions in India is one of the major issues, children. Corruption in India is one of the major issues where we can find which are being debated over in the public forum as well as in media. Most of the time we will discuss in the media about the corruptions. Corruptions is going on. See, whenever the country have more corruption, the country fails to develop. Okay. First important thing is whatever the disadvantages are there, okay, that should be removed, so that leads for the development. Corruption is one of the major issues of the countries where we can find most of the peoples are debates in the public forum, and sometimes the debates and the discussions will be in the form of media also, we can find in media. Corruptions will adversely affect the moral foundation, children. Moral foundations will greatly affect, moral values will greatly affect, and administrations also will greatly affect. So, imagine that when the administrations are taking the corruptions, that administrations cannot maintain the standard of good network. So, whenever the administrations are taking the corruption, that will greatly affect the administration. If one party will take the corruption, that seriously affect the other party of the administrations also. And corruptions will greatly affect the economy also. Imagine that if any political parties are dealing with any corruption, so that corruptions maximum in political parties, whenever they are involving in the corruption, the amount will be very large. Instead of having that corrupted money are spent for the country's development, then economy will greatly develop. But what is happening, our economy is not developing because the political parties are disutilizing, some political parties, not all. There are few political parties, corrupted political parties, what they are doing the corruptions and they are taking that public money for themselves and they are destroying the economy. India is doubting that distinctions and they have unearthed many type of scandals, corruption scandals we can find. Since from 10 years back also you can find 20 years or 30 years back onwards, if you see, the corruptions are of great deals in India. In India we can find most of the corruptions were quietly unearthed, such as we can find 2G spectrum scam. This is one of the biggest corruptions in the country level. 2G spectrum scam which was in the country level, okay, according to this nearly lakhs and crores of rupees were completely corrupted by the political parties. One more scam which was came forward is Commonwealth Games scam, children. So, in Commonwealth Games scams we know that in 2000, during this period 2009 to 10, during this period our country was given the responsibility of hosting the Commonwealth Games and funds were also diverted by the parliament, but these funds have been disutilized by the authorities. Some authorities have disutilized the corruptions, they diverted the funds in their purpose, and this affects the Commonwealth. This is mainly because of scam only. Others housing society scam, this is also highly money which are mainly utilized for the development of welfare of the people for housing facilities, but that money were diverted towards corruptions. Coal mining scam, this is the highest scam where we can find coal mining scams where we can find lakhs and crores of rupees were completely mined, and there are some political parties, they has given permission to the private mining authorities, and they have mined for a coal worth of nearly lakhs and crores of rupees were completely corrupted from this mining scam. So, overall when you are seeing this corruption, there are in not a small amount, there are in the large amount. If this money were utilized for the development of the country may be developed at a very higher level, but because of that corruptions, our country economy is also getting damaged. So, this is the main thing. Corruption is the main thing where the maximum amount of development, whatever the development that should reach us to the maximum amount of ordinary people at grassroots level, we discussed in the earlier. So, because of this only different types of problems are also we are getting, economic problem as well as various other problems. So, due to these corruptions. So, here if you see, there are many ministers we can find. These ministers are at union level and the ministers are at state level. They are facing a various charge of corruptions. So, ministers we can find, there are many ministers which are working at central level, there are many ministers at state level, they are facing the corruption charge. So, they were also facing the charges of corruptions. Okay. Now, if you see that in addition, if you see the leaders and the officials who are involving in the corruptions, Indian bureaucracy clandestinely involved. Most of the Indian officers were greatly involved. Okay. Most of the Indian officers we can find, okay, some powerful officers were involved in the corruptions. Okay. So, this is the main thing. Next, if you are going forward, allegations upon corruptions were against to some officers who are involving in this field, such as rural development officer. The main aim of rural development officer is to develop the village, but they were highly involving in the corruptions. Village development officer or rural development officers are highly involving in corruption. Police officers are highly involving in the corruptions. Sale tax, in the sales tax also large amount of corruptions were involved. Okay. Exercise due diligence. Exercise duty, this is a type of tax which are mainly imposed by the government to prohibit, okay, to prohibit and to discourage the purchase of particular goods. Whenever the government, if they wanted to discourage the purchase of particular goods from the other countries, excise duty will be imposed, or sometimes the excise duty wantedly will be imposed so that the people should not be addicted for that goods. To discourage about any particular goods, the government utilize this excise duty. Irrigation department mainly responsible for corruptions. Income tax authorities were also involved in corruptions we can find. There are many income tax officers were also involving in the point of corruptions. Social welfare officers which are related to the social welfare department, they were also involving in the part of corruptions. So, what we have discussed about the point, today's topic we have discussed about completely a new topic which is Corruptions and Anti-Corruption Act. Corruptions is nothing but, what is meant by corruption? This is a dishonest behavior of those who are in the power, okay, in the form of taking bribes, under table transactions, okay, in the form of double dealings, taking any type of gifts, taking any types of bribes, that all things comes under the corruptions. Whenever the persons are proved with the charge sheet, when the charge sheet will be imposed, then a person will be treated as a criminal act. Corruptions comes under crime. Okay. So, corruptions in India is one of the major issues. Constantly we can find the value of corruptions are completely debated in public forum as well as media. In terms of public forum and media, corruption is getting debated. Adversely, if you see, due to the corruption is greatly adversely affecting our moral foundation, administration and economy. So, corruption is greatly affecting our moral foundation, administration as well as economy. India, no doubt that India have completely unearthed huge amount of corruption scandals we can find, like 2G spectrums, Commonwealth scams, others housing society scam, coal mining scam. So, these are the various scams in which a large amount of corruption practice were getting involved. Okay. Next we will go forward. So, many ministers are also involving in the point of corruptions, and when the corruptions are not in a small amount. So, whatever the corruptions now we are learning about 2G spectrum scam, this is in the lakhs of crores of rupees. If you see coal mining scam, that is also more than lakhs of crores of rupees were completely corrupted, and Commonwealth scams and others housing scams were crores and crores of rupees were corrupted. But in the 2G spectrum scams and coal mining scams, there we can find large amount of money was completely corrupted in the form of mines. So, many ministers even at central level and state level are facing a charge of corruptions. Today also if you see that there are many ministers who are in this charge of corruptions, we are facing a charge of corruptions. In addition, we can find the leaders, even in the Indian leaders also we can find some Indian bureaucracy, they were also involving in the practices of corruptions we can find. So, some allegations were against the senior officials. Most of the allegations of corruptions were upon the officers who are dealing with the various departments such as rural development officers, police officers, sales tax department, excise duty. We know that this is a type of tax mainly imposed by the government to discourage the goods. So, excise duty officers, irrigation tax, income tax officers and social welfare officers. So, these are the various people they are greatly involving in the practices of corruptions. So, thank you children, we will meet you in the next class with the same topic. We will continue the Corruptions and Anti-Corruption Act. Thank you very much. We will meet you in the next class.